Ecumenism is essentially what Jesus expresses in his high priestly prayer in John 17, that they may be one. And if that is pursued with honesty and passion, it will be successful. Christ himself promises, seek and you shall find. And he's not talking about winning the lottery, and he's not talking about evil things. He's talking about seeking him. And he is one, and his body is one, and it doesn't look one, it's torn. And that's a tragedy. And the more we love him, the more we'll see that as a tragedy. And even though we don't see how, we have to work for that. It's not optional. It's like the social gospel. You can't be a Christian without loving the poor, and you can't be a Christian without being an ecumenist. Well, organizationally, the brightest spot, I think, in ecumenical conversations today is that they're increasing, they're happening. And they're happening not just among liberals who are willing to compromise, but traditionalists who are not, who are passionately convinced that they're right. And yet they're not riding on a high horse, and they want to understand each other, and they want reunion. We used to hate each other, now we love each other. Love opens your eyes, and it allows God to perform miracles. And the joint statement on justification is almost exactly a miracle. Nobody thought that could happen. The most important divisive issue has been dealt with. Goliath is dead. Let's kill the rest of the Philistines now. It's the heart that's changed more than the head. And the heart educates the head, especially when it comes to knowing God and knowing yourself. So the more we love each other, the more we'll understand each other. And the more things like the agreement on justification will happen over and over again. It may take 1,000 years, but it's going to happen. When Christ comes back, he's not going to marry a harem. The church will be one.